Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Avi.
Futures are up 8. Market is rallying after a sell-off we've had for the last, a bunch of days. Things are looking positive for the bulls. Let's see how long it lasts. FOMC is meeting today. That's what's happening. That's why the markets don't know which way to go. Well, they know they're going up, but that's what the confusion is with everyone. Everyone's waiting for the FOMC to come out. Now, logically, the FOMC should technically come out today and change their bias, but they're not going to. The odds are stacked heavily against it that they're going to wait yet another meeting, and maybe even 2 more to change the bias based upon the fact that the FOMC is supposed to be watching monetary policy, but they're busy watching the stock market. And they're more concerned that if they do come out and they change their forecast, or they change their expectations, then what's going to happen is the market's going to sell off to massive levels, and they're not ready to have that on their heads. Because right now the economy might be in the toilet, but they're pointing to a strong stock market and saying, see, things are getting better. If your market drops 1,000 points this week, things aren't getting better in anybody's views, and you'll kill consumer confidence before Christmas, which means you're going to create a self-perpetuating model. They're not looking to be those guys who do that. So, the first thing I'm going to guess is they're just going to keep everything just the way it is. Now, the odds are the market's going to take that news and move it up. They might pull it up a little, spike it down, and then slowly move it back up to the end of the day. But I don't expect the day to be any weaker than we're at right now, which is up 75 to 100 points type of situation. And a little, bit more of a march towards 10,000. They want to see if they can take it. ADP data came out a tad negative. The market completely brushed it off. Right? They don't even care. Yeah, a little negative. So what? Right? So what you're really looking for today is situations. I'm probably going to fade the open because I think they're going to take the first move down from the futures where they're at right now. Then the market's going to open up over here. It's going to pull in. And I think that's going to be the best trade initially. Right? And I'm probably going to, look as the market starts to base to buy some things. But the general statement that I've got is between 10 o'clock and 2 o'clock, aside from the oil number that's going to come out today, the market's probably going to be dead. Dead. Little movement. So it's going to be a time to take profits. If you've got profits, take them. Right? If you've got losses, probably take those too. But, I don't expect the big kill moves because you've got this 2 o'clock number hanging over us. Or 2:15? 2:15. So, be careful. Trade your situations. Gold was just up $8.50, $9. Now it's only up $6. But it's, strong. Commodity is strong. Oil is showing